Custom domains are now available in Timetics AI, so you can let your clients book through your own branded domain instead of a Timetics AI URL. Let me show you how you can set it up. First, log into your Timetics AI account, then go to settings and open up the custom domain sections. Now enter your custom domain. In this case, I am adding my own subdomain and then click add domain. Timetics AI will instantly provide you with the required CNAME record. Simply copy this record and add it to your domain provider's DNS settings such as Namecheap, Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or wherever you are managing your DNS. In my case, I am adding the records in Namecheap, and as I am adding a subdomain, so I will just enter the subdomain part, not the entire domain. And you can leave the TTL to automatic in this case. Once you have added the CNAME record, come back to Timetics AI and click verify. DNS changes can take a little time to propagate, so verification may not happen instantly. Once the domain is verified, Timetics AI will automatically issue and configure an SSL certificate for you, so there's nothing extra for you to do. When you see the connected status along with the green HTTPS badge, your custom domain is fully ready. Now open your custom domain and your complete Timetics AI booking page will load directly from your own branded URL, giving your clients a seamless and professional booking experience. And that's it. Your custom domain is now connected to Timetics AI.